This veggie-rich recipe provides a nutrient-dense meal that can help improve circulation, hormonal balance, and energy levels, all of which contribute to sexual stamina. Here's a breakdown of how each ingredient in this recipe supports these aspects. 1. Cabbage. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, an antioxidant that boosts immune health, reduces oxidative stress, and supports circulation, which is essential for sexual performance. Indole-3 carbinol, found in cabbage and other cruciferous vegetables, may help regulate estrogen levels, which can be beneficial for testosterone balance in men and overall hormonal health. 2. Brussels sprouts. Folate and vitamin K aid in proper blood flow and vascular health, essential for physical stamina and arousal. High in fiber, Brussels sprouts aid in digestion, helping to maintain energy without sluggishness or bloating, which can interfere with sexual performance. Sulforaphane, an antioxidant, helps detoxify the body and combat inflammation, creating a healthier internal environment that supports stamina. 3. Asparagus. Known as the sex vitamin, vitamin E helps increase blood flow and oxygen supply to the genitals, which can enhance sexual performance and stamina. Asparagus is rich in B vitamins, which boost energy levels and can reduce stress, both beneficial for sexual stamina. Traditionally, asparagus has been used as a mild aphrodisiac and is believed to increase libido. Shiitake mushrooms are quite the powerhouse. They provide protein and fiber, which help sustain energy levels and keep blood sugar steady, preventing those pesky energy dips that can affect stamina. Plus, they contain zinc, which is crucial for testosterone production and libido. And let's not forget about vitamin D. It supports hormone regulation and energy levels, positively impacting stamina and performance. Lemonade. Hydration and vitamin C. A glass of lemonade offers hydration, which is vital for stamina and physical performance. Vitamin C also helps with blood vessel flexibility, improving circulation. Alkalizing effect. Although acidic, lemon juice has an alkalizing effect on the body, promoting better energy levels and reducing potential fatigue. How this recipe supports sexual stamina. Improved blood circulation. Nutrients, like vitamin C, E and B vitamins, support blood flow, essential for both arousal and stamina. Hormone balance. Compounds like indole-3 carbinol, zinc, and vitamin D help balance hormones that are crucial for libido and sexual function. Steady energy levels. Fiber, protein, and B vitamins keep blood sugar stable, reducing energy dips. Reduced oxidative stress. Antioxidants in these ingredients reduce oxidative stress, supporting healthier cells and energy production, which is essential for physical stamina. Timing. Waiting at least 2 hours after eating helps ensure the body can fully digest the meal without directing too much energy toward digestion during intimate moments. The balanced nutrients in this meal, paired with hydration from the lemonade, can contribute to enhanced stamina and overall sexual health when included regularly as part of a healthy diet.